In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the primary column in Smartsheet quickly and easily. If you've ever tried reorganizing your sheet and realized the primary column needs to be different, you might have noticed that Smartsheet doesn't let you just click a button to switch it. But there is a simple workaround that works perfectly. I'll walk you through it step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and productivity tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet where you want to change the primary column. Make sure you're in grid view because that's where you can easily rearrange columns. Once your sheet is open, take a look at the far left column. In Smartsheet, the primary column is always positioned as the first column on the left. It's special because it controls row hierarchy, attachments, comments, and other key features. That means you can't directly convert another column into a primary column using settings. Instead, you'll need to reorder your columns. Now, decide which column you want to become the new primary column. Scroll to that column and move your cursor to the very top of it, right over the column header. When you hover at the top area of the column header, you'll notice it becomes highlighted or slightly glows, indicating that it can be moved. This is the key step. Click and hold your mouse button on that column header. While holding, drag the column toward the far left side of the sheet. As you drag it, you'll see a vertical placement indicator showing you where the column will be dropped. Continue dragging it all the way to the first position, before the current primary column. Once you see the indicator line at the very left edge, release your mouse button to drop the column into place. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will automatically make that column the new primary column because it is now positioned first in the sheet. That's it. The column you moved is now acting as the primary column. You can confirm this by noticing that it now supports hierarchy indentation and displays the primary column formatting. The previous primary column will automatically convert into a regular text or data column, depending on its settings. If your sheet includes formulas or dependencies, quickly double-check that everything still works as expected after moving the column. Reordering columns does not typically break formulas, but it's always a good idea to verify your setup, especially in complex project sheets. One important thing to remember is that the primary column in Smartsheet must always be a text or number type column. If the column they're trying to move contains incompatible settings, you may need to adjust the column properties first. To do that, right-click the column header, choose Edit Column Properties, and ensure it's set to an appropriate type before dragging it into the first position. This simple drag-and-drop method is the only way to effectively change the primary column in Smartsheet. There isn't a dedicated Change Primary Column button, so rearranging the column order is the correct approach. To quickly recap, open your sheet, identify the column you want as primary, hover at the top of the column header until it highlights, click and drag it to the far left, and drop it into the first position. Smartsheet will automatically assign it as the new primary column. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and no advanced settings required. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Smartsheet tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.